I'm just saying that there's this complex of stocks that people do not want. And they consist of anything remotely involved with artificial intelligence, with machine learning, with companies that are not traditional. David, this is the revenge of the non-disruptors.
Right.
The disruptors tried, and they tried like in The Hunchback. Talk about a good book. That holds up. Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Really?
Oh, my God. You got to go back. It holds up like you wouldn't believe.
Yeah, Trip is interesting, especially after Expedia the other day, Jim.
No,
although the journal's got this piece on airfares saying, yeah, they've come in a bit, but they're going to remain elevated for a while.
You know, it's funny. I thought Expedia was good. And then today, there are people who cut numbers. I met Expedia. I was out in Seattle. Everything they said they were going to do, they did. And then it went down anyway. I mean, this is, again, people just say, give me, I don't know, just give me an energy company. You give me something that involves banks, but not FinBank.
Cruise lines today, NCLH not doing bad.
Well, look, he did say it. You're talking about being free cash flow positive.
Yep.
Really
82%
soon.
occupancy.
Frank Del Rio is such a hitter, and he is so. Do not mess with him. I mean, remember, he took on DeSantis. He's probably the only person in the world that would take on DeSantis. Remember, he took him on. He favored. He came out against COVID.
Wait, who?
Frank Del Rio.
Oh, Frank Del Rio.
He said, he had the right to test, and remember, he had the right to try to stop it, Governor DeSantis.
Well, he was in an argument with Governor DeSantis in Florida.
About the right to protect his customers from COVID.
Yes.
But there was another view. I never really understood the governor's view, but then again, I expect to call any minute because he calls me every second. It's in that automated thing.
Yes.
Hi, we're all in trouble. You got to vote for us? I don't know. I did vote. Did you get it?
I have thankfully not been getting a lot of the
Governor DeSantis, and you got to vote my way. How did he get my phone?
Thankfully, I haven't been getting those.
He's changed. How did he get my phone?
Guys, we talked Carvana yesterday. It continues to sink. It's a very small company at this point in terms of at least its market value. Once was far larger. It's 52-week high, $304. It's now $6.90. You had a J.P. Morgan piece out this morning talking about another step down in fundamentals. Obviously, when you're trying to sell cars, the sticker price of which has gone up, used cars as well, or the ability to finance them. They're talking on their call, the monthly cost is up 160% over some time, but 160% given the higher cost and, of course, the enormous move in interest rates. And what that means, most of their customers do finance their purchases. Well, and they have a lot of, they have a good amount of debt as well.
That was one of the worst conference calls I've ever heard. At one point, Ernie Garcia says, this is the worst time to be in our business. To me, that was a kind of a difficult thing to swallow. At one point, they said that they made an acquisition. I went back and looked at the acquisition, and it had real estate value. And so look out. They might be able to sell some real estate.
Yes, they asked them about that on the call.
On the call.
Whether there was,
Well, it's actually, when you go back and look at what they bought, they said, look, there's some great real estate value here. So there's something. They can sell some real estate.
Yeah.
By the way, the S&P Auto Index has now wiped out all the gains that it built beginning May of last year.
Now.
And as you know by now, Manheim used cars down 10 year on year is the lowest since August of last year. And we'll see if it matters to CPI on Thursday.
It should at one point, although I would tell you that, again, you got that problem. It's year over year it's down, but when you look back to 2020, used cars are up gigantically. So it's just unsettling. It's an unsettling moment. So what are people doing? They're buying stocks like Nucor, a steel company.
Right
into a recession, they're buying a steel company, and they're selling a used car company. Wasn't that a little counterintuitive?
How about the Foxconn Lordstown infusion?
Holy cow.
Yeah.
$170 million to help them with their production. Lordstown is a former SPAC, of course, had been below 2, but is having a nice day today. Shares of Ride are up 26%. You see it right there on this news of Foxconn, which
We're
has
talking
made
about $2
a number
stocks.
of other investments, somewhat similar,
But
sort
we're
of
talking about
diversifying away. They've made a lot of investments in Saudi Arabia, actually, towards the same sort of goal of building.